Why do we still do this job?
This is the best job in the world, man. We get to wear awesome outfits, and it's totally easy to do hungover.
Let's rock West Academy.
The energy drink, Minotaur, is good.
Woo! Taste the beast!
Minotaur!
Oh, gosh.
And a large black coffee.
Do you mean a venti?
No, I mean a large.
Venti is a large coffee.
Really? Says who? Fellini?
You know what? You've been picking fights with everybody.
I can't stand it anymore. I'm moving out.
Good morning, Flexible.
Your electricity is out.
Just doing my part to save this big blue planet.
Your water is shut off, too.
Like I said.
Oh, hey! Oh, that's right. We're here. You can let it down.
Too late, it's already up.
Destruction of school property, vandalism.
Shut up!
They wanted to give you 30 days in jail.
What?
But I worked my magic on the judge. Instead, you have community service. You're going to Sturdy Wings.
We bring adults and children together to enhance the lives of these children through one-on-one friendships.
I already prefer jail.
Your kid's name is Augie Farks. This is Danny. He wants to be your new friend.
I wasn't really 100% yet. Don't judge me.
No worries, my liege. Ronnie's one of our youngest. No one's lasted more than a day. But I think you're perfect because you're young and you don't want to go to prison.
What up, Ronnie?
I want to take my pants off.
What? Been talking for half an hour. Kids barely said a word. I don't want to be alone with them, Danny.
Oh. No. What are you doing?
Maybe you should think about losing the cape. People tend to avoid people in capes.
This fall.
She got some boobies on her.
Never stare at the boobies, kid.
But how?
It's called training. You don't think I've noticed the 34 C's directly to the left of us?
Boobies.
Don't look over there. Look here.
It will take a couple of boys.
Are you sewing?
Yeah, this is my country's emblem, and we would like to invite you to be a soldier in the Zambian army.
To make them men.
This community service has given me some perspective. You complete me. You had me at hello.
Oh, God, Danny.
What's up, reindeer games?
I'm not Ben Affleck.
You white, then you been Affleck.
You are white. It's true, I am white.
Let's go.
Role models.
See you tomorrow, Ronnie. Oh, you